Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. First of all,
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak to all of you. I am MD Samimuddin Molla. Today I have decided to make a vlog with my friend Akmam Hussain and Jisan in Kolkata, and we decided to cover 2 or 3 places of Kolkata. We are ready with our favorite bike. You can see over here and this.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Hello Dishan.
Hello brother. How are you?
I'm good. And you? Where are you?
As you guys know that lockdown is happened in Kolkata, but due to Eid ul-Fitr, they provide relaxation up to 8 p.m. So we'll try our best to cover our vlog within 8 p.m. And now we are going towards Vishwa Bangla, New Town. Now it is necessary to fill the tank with petrol because we have to cover almost 60 km distance. We have to cross so many beautiful places like the 42, which is one of the tallest building in West Bengal. Then Victoria Memorial, which is the only cultural monument which contains more than 30,000 antique pieces. Then Rabindra Sadan and Nandan, which is again one of the cultural place of Kolkata. Then New Alipur Zoo, which contains more than 100 species of animal kingdom. Then ITC Royal Bengal, which is one of the luxurious hotel in West Bengal. Till now, we have not got any chance to visit this hotel, but in near future, inshallah, we will visit this place and I will surely make a video on this hotel. Then we cross Science City. It is one of the largest science center in Indian subcontinent. Then we passed Nico Park. It is an entertaining and adventurous park containing 30 different types of rides. I guess if you are from Kolkata, maybe you have already covered these places, and if you are out from Kolkata and visit this city, make sure to come these places, and I am sure that these places will surely entertain you.
You got me thinking all I did was wrong. Guess you got all you wanted. Yeah, I don't know why suddenly you're gone. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to...
Guys, this is also a medical college and its name is SSKM Medical College. I do not know the full name, but the cutoff of this college has gone to 610 in this year NEET 2020.
You got me thinking all I did was wrong. Guess you got all you want.
So guys, finally we arrived at Vishwa Bangla New Town in 1 hour. Let me show you some view of Vishwa Bangla.
So we have reached here. We are walking to the main gate of Vishwa Bangla. So now let's go and inquire the tickets and what are the main basic formalities to site.
So guys, you can see over there is a ticket counter of Vishwa Bangla. We are going to check whether Vishwa Bangla is closed or open. If open, I will show you some awesome view of Vishwa Bangla. It is also known as Kolkata Gate, officially known as Vishwa Bangla Gate. It is an arc monument in city of Kolkata. It is built by Housing Infrastructure Development Corporation on the Action Area 1 of New Town. Also houses a restaurant, a visitors gallery, and restaurant are surrounded by glass, which is part of the wall. From here, one can see a lot part of Bidhannagar, New Town, Rajarhat. I guess many of you may be thinking that how to reach Vishwa Bangla Gate. So you can reach the Vishwa Bangla Gate by bus, car, cab, and obviously by bike. By bus, S12 from Shialda, C8 and C43 from airport. The next thing is, what is the ticket price of Vishwa Bangla Gate? Its ticket price is 100 rupees. It open at 12 p.m. and closes at 10 p.m. Booking can also be done by Book My Show app and also by Vishwa Bangla official website. Guys, they told that Vishwa Bangla is closed now due to Corona COVID situation and lockdown. They provide only person. So guys, as this is closed, so now we are decided to go towards the Balwant Singh Dhaba, which is located near the Bhawanipur. So let's see, देखते हैं क्या होता है, खुला है कि बंद है.
We reached at Balban Singh Eating House, which is in Bhawanipur in Kolkata. So finally it is open. We find today a place that is open. So behind my back there is. So let's go inside and have our lunch.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So we are walking towards it.
Balwan Singh is a legendary name among Indian food joints and was the first to start steamed milk tea trend in Kolkata almost 100 years ago. Here we ordered some special paratha, chola bhatura and a coke to satisfy our hunger. If you are from Kolkata, even visiting the city, don't miss out this one. I promise that you won't regret the experience. So guys, now we are done with our lunch. Now it's time to go back to home. તો એકી પેટ ભરે છે? તમારું પેટ ભરે છે?
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
To make this video, my friend Akmam helped me a lot, and without his help, it's next to impossible for me to make this type of video within very short period of time. And guys, he also has an YouTube channel. Make sure to visit his channel and also subscribe his channel. Since it takes lots of effort, energy and time to produce this kind of video, please like to appreciate our efforts, and if you really love our videos, please consider subscribing our channel to get notification of our upcoming videos.